As you're completing your last-minute Christmas shopping, law enforcement wants you to keep some things in mind about a certain type of gift.
News 8's Madeline O'Neill is in our newsroom tonight with more on what you need to know if you're buying a child in your life a toy gun.
Mike and Martha, if you've seen the movie A Christmas Story, you know the main warning that comes along with toy guns is you'll shoot your eye out. But today, the Holmen Police Department pointed out more dangers to consider when buying a fake gun.
I got 11 more brothers and sisters and then 12 nieces and nephews, so I try and buy for everybody.
As shoppers fill their bags before Christmas, they'll find there's no shortage of toys for the little ones.
I was just at the toy shop down the road here and I got some puppets and a little toy truck for my niece.
But if there will be one particular item in Santa's bag.
If you don't know what you're doing with it, or if you don't know if it's like real or whatever, yeah, I mean, it can backfire on you, literally.
Law enforcement officials have some warnings.
Any type of toy gun that you buy your kids, we want to make sure it's very noticeable that it's a toy.
Fake guns can be mistaken for the real deal.
Would you be able to tell the difference? No, absolutely not.
Honest to God, no way.
Officer Cody Spears of the Village of Holmen Police Department says you should make sure toy guns have an orange tip.
See, these don't have the orange tips.
Signifying they're not real.
It's like that's a BB gun.
If you had like a BB gun next to a regular gun, I really couldn't tell, like, unless I were like look down, the barrel.
Out in the field, Spears has run into fake guns that look real.
As law enforcement, we always train that the gun is real if it appears to be real, because we don't know, and things happen so quickly out there that it's hard to really, comprehend what you're looking at.
That's why he says colors are good. The less authentic the toys look, the better.
You don't always see that orange tip.
And it's best to keep any toy guns at home.
Keep them in the home. That's the best advice I can give, is that when they get out on the street and people put them in their cars, that's where typically problems are run into.
Officer Spears says he ran into objects that looked like real guns on the job a few times this year, once just 2 weeks ago.
Thanks a lot, Madeline. It is illegal in Wisconsin to carry or display any kind of object that can reasonably be perceived as an actual firearm in public.